Hey everyone, Kevin here. What I'd like to do in this video is unbox the Trezor original hardware wallet. I'm going to show you what's in the box. Now I've did this already for the ledger and did some tutorials on this. I'm going to unbox it, but then later on I'm going to test it and I'm going to show you guys how it works. The Trezor is one of the most popular cryptocurrency hardware wallets out there, but it is worth noting that the one that I've got is now being called the Trezor One because they have a new version out called the Model T. The Model T wasn't available when I bought this, well I don't believe it was, I didn't see it. And you can see here it calls this one the Trezor One, but if we jump back here you can see, well, it doesn't say the Trezor One, so they're kind of renaming it retrospectively. So let's see what's in the box. Look at the state of this, guys. This is one of the most annoying boxes there. It was because there's basically a line of glue all the way along there that's stuck on this. It kind of defeats the point of packaging it up this way. Anyway, I finally got it open and there's no way I'm reselling this now, is there? So presentation wise, I would say it isn't as good as the ledger. I think the ledger box was easier to open and it was presented all in a nicer way. This has simpler packaging, but it is by no means a major problem because ultimately it's all about this. It's all about this. So what do you get in the box here? We get a getting started guide. We get a little kind of keyring thing that you can wrap your Trezor on if you want to put it to your keys or whatever. You get a very small micro B charging cable. And there's stickers here. There is a personal recovery seed if you want to write down your 24 words. Another sticker. Yeah, that's it. You've actually got 2 of the recovery seeds. So 2 recovery seed panels, lots of stickers, keyring, charging cable, and of course the Trezor. So let's do this together. Ooh. So that is the Trezor. The Trezor. Charging cable down the bottom. Charging port, sorry. You always have to turn USB background, don't you? Right, so very simple device. Charging cable down the bottom, and then there's 2 buttons here. What I would say is, first impressions is, this thing is absolutely tiny. I can't believe how small this is. I really expected this to be a lot larger. To put it in, to give you some comparisons, it's just a SanDisk USB flash drive. There's the ledger, and then there's the Trezor. It's very, very thin as well. I'm not sure if that's coming through, but it's very, very thin. So, the main comparison I think people make is between the Trezor and the ledger. And they are much the same. I mean, this is wider, but you can see the Trezor is thinner. It's a little bit shorter as well. There you go, guys. So this has been the Trezor in the box, which is very badly packaged in my opinion. That's an absolute mess. But in the box you get the charging cable, you get the Trezor itself, you get a very short getting started guide, but I think most people what they'll be doing is going to trezor.io start. You get a range of stickers, you get the keyring there, and you get 2 little cardboard pieces for your personal seed. So there you go, guys. Please stay tuned. I will be doing a more thorough look at the Trezor in the future, but in this video I just wanted to show you guys what's in the box. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do leave a comment and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Take care.